Okay, when you squeeze this, you will all see what it is, this level here that was tested before. It's pretty much strong. It's pretty much a strong level. So I was really hoping and looking for the market to come back to this level and test it. But at that time, that did not happen. And I also had another level below here. So I had these two levels and I wanted to draw a line here. I was just paying attention to this level here. I didn't really had a zone like this. I didn't really have a zone like this. I was just paying attention, saying, okay, if this happens, then if this happens, then if this happens, then. And then I had my trend line crossing like this. And I like when the market does this. When the market was trending down like this. Oh, that was straight. And then you get this little triggering here, triggering, and then there's a sharp move. After the sharp move here, the market usually likes to trickle down to the opposite direction, continue to trickle down, continue to trickle down. Not like in a spike movement or something like that. Nah, it just continues to trickle down. So you just have to be patient. You just have to be patient enough to wait for it uh, to complete the move. To complete the move. So around like 8, 8:30, kanji, I was like, okay, now this is my trade. The second I saw this, the second I saw this, I think there were just these candles here. The second I saw this, and I was like, okay, we're at this small level here. Some may call it small, some may call it big, but for me, it was small, but it was valid also because it's a 1-2, and then this high here was taken out by the structure. So it is a valid level. Then was all about checking ukuthi, is this level like a valid level? Did the market do like the 50%? And if you look at this, and then I was just trying to validate this high here. If you look at this and then you look at this, you can clearly see this is smaller than this. So that means this is over 50% of the move. Therefore, that validates ukuthi this level is valid and we can use it in the future. This level is valid and we can use it in the future. So after seeing that, after observing that, for me, it was just a small working game and I have my indicators that help me with the entry. So I just pulled them, I just pull my indicators and this is a MACD. Draw my trend line on my MACD. Oh, sorry. Draw my second trend line on the MACD. And for me, it was just the second the market trust, I was just, okay, now let me just pull, my entry. Let me just prepare for my entry. And for me, it doesn't really have to, uh, break the trend line for me to enter. As long as it breaks the moving average, and then there's a 1, 2, 3 on my MACD histogram. That's enough. So for me, this red candle here, and it was 1, 2, 3. It was 1, 2, 3 on the MACD histogram, and then also the marked cross has happened. This cross here, it has happened. There's a 1, 2, 3, and I think I caught it on the fourth candle. So for me, I just placed my sell stop here, stop loss above this level, and then the TP is always 1:1.5. Just 1:1.5, and that was the trade for me. It was a simple, quick in and out trade.